Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to use the Apple logo on iPhone. For enabling the Apple logo, open Settings and in Settings search for Accessibility. Inside Accessibility Settings search and select Touch Settings and after select Back tap. Here we have two options, double tap and triple tap. And we can choose a camera, control center, home, lock rotation, lock screen, screenshot, and many more options. For double tap, I am selecting screenshot as of now. And for triple tap, I am selecting the camera option. Let's try triple tap. Now it opens the camera as we selected. Now I am trying double tap. As we selected it takes screenshots. For working this properly we have to tap properly on the middle of the logo. Please let me know in the comments if you already know this option on iPhone. Please subscribe to our channel Tech Icon Plus and like, share and comment on our videos. This will help us in creating more videos. Thank you.